Want to learn how to add people to your real estate videos? First, open Creative Mode. On the right-hand side, you'll find step-by-step guides. Open the Actor's Guide and follow the instructions. We first need to add people to the image, so select Edit Image. We have generated over 3,000 actors for you to choose from, and you can filter them based on their appearance. You can add up to 8 people to a single image. If you'd like to include something more unique, you can also upload your own elements and use those instead. Once you've selected the actors you want to add to the image, the next step is to add a prompt. We provide ready-made prompts that you can choose from depending on whether you're adding a single actor or multiple actors. You can use these prompts as they are, customize them to fit your needs, or write your own from scratch. Here, you can see the original image and the edited version with selected actors in place. The final step is to animate the image. Select Use for Animation. Add the animation prompt, and voila! Your still image is now brought to life.